Hello everybody. In today's video we're going to replace these shoes at the bottom of this Troybilt 2410. It comes with these plastic ones. I'm going to switch them over to a metal. It's a little more durable. The kit I got has the snowshoe for each side, as well as all the bolts that we need to make all the attachments. So the first thing I'm going to do is get access to those shoes. From what I've found, the easiest way is to take your snowblower and you can just put it right up on top of the chute like this, and the gas doesn't drain out, it doesn't fill your carburetor. Works out pretty slick anytime you got to work on it. So we'll be able to put this in the upright position like this, and we'll get these shoes replaced. So the first thing we need to do is take off the old one. It is held on by two bolts and they're 1/2 inch. And on the other side they're smooth, just like this one, and it has this little square on the inside that holds it into place. So I'm just going to grab a ratchet and put it on there and loosen them up, both of them, and then we'll take those bolts off and then we'll get these new ones put on. So to put the new ones on, what I generally do is put the bolts in first from the underside. That way you're not trying to hold it while you're getting it. So they come in right in here, and as you can see, that little square part comes right in there. That'll prevent it from turning. And the same thing with the top one. The top one can be a little harder to put in because you can run into your propeller and stuff in there. Alright, so we got the two bolts in there, and now your part, kind of hold those bolts in place, you don't want to push them back through, goes this way with this flange facing out. So you want the big part facing out. Once you have it set on there, kind of hold it with your hand, put a washer on, and then spin on one of the nuts. Now these nuts do have the plastic piece in there that'll help keep it from twisting out. The other one here. Now once it starts getting tight, you're gonna have to use your ratchet to get the rest of the way. Just hold it on the inside, keep your fingers on there to push it out so that it stays inside that little square channel. And once it starts getting a little tight, you can stop because you're gonna want to do some fine-tuning adjustments. Alright, so I got those on there, and we'll do the other side too, but you know, I'm sure you don't want to watch me do this twice. I'm loosening it a little bit so I can adjust it. So, you know, obviously you don't want this part dragging on the ground. So you're gonna put it down. If you do it even, you get a little bit of a gap in there. But what you can do is tighten it a little bit, just so it doesn't move on you. And then we'll put our snowblower back down. And now that it's down, you can see your gap, and you can do any fine. So for any fine-tune adjusting, once you tilt it back up, if you look on the inside here, you can see where your bottom of your chute is, and you want that, you know, however high off you need it for your situation, whether it be gravel or something different. You know, cracks. I have some cracks in my driveway, so I lift mine up a little bit to, glide over those, and I don't smack them too hard. So fine tune adjust that. You can, if you're like looking at a 1/4 inch, get a 1/4 inch, piece of plywood or something. You can set it on there and adjust your shoes accordingly. Whatever makes sense for you. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave those in the links in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you later.